Bang out the dent, that's all there is to it.
The problem isn't in the dent.
Where?
The problem's in this rubber band engine.
The problem's in your mouth.
Yeah, and where are you gonna get a new carburetor, huh?
You ever hear of borrowing?
Nicky, you got any scotch tape?
Hey, big stuff. What do you drive, huh?
I drive.
Yeah? How about you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Well, what about duty?
Well, hey, I was.
That's what I thought. Now, come on, guys. Look. Now, this car could be a major piece of machinery. Do you know that? Now, look at this. Well, this car could be systematic, hydromatic, ultramatic. Why could be grease lightning?
Grease lightning. We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut off from chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll get the money.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door. You know that ain't no shit, really getting licensed. Grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter-mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip-lap drive. You are supreme, your chicks are cream. For grease lightning, we'll get some purple French tail at 30-inch bends, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual twins, oh yeah. With new pistols, cuts and shots, I can get over